Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will tell you about one of the hidden project that very few people would be knowing about it. So right, this is Quick Yield project. So this is running on multiple blockchain. As you can see, this project is running on Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Huobi Avalanche Chain and Extra blockchain. So these are all the blockchain where you will find this token listed and you can buy and trade also. So this project has an ecosystem balance which will run on QSwap, QBridge, QPay and Q Wallet. So this also you can see on the ecosystem also there, Q Liquidity, QSwap, QBridge. So each Q Liquidity, QSwap, they have a certain of advantage that you will get if you use QSwap, QY yield. Okay, so now they have a tokens. So if you click on tokens, they have two types of token. First is QY investor and second is QY utility. So what we are talking about is QY utility. Then the community part is that where all you will find information about this project is on Twitter, Telegram, Discord, Medium and events. Okay, and then information, that more information if you want you can contact details and logo and brand. So they have also a airdrop running program, so which I will show you how to take part on this. First go towards their Twitter page. So this is their Twitter page. Okay, so they have already mentioned in the bio that Quick Yield is truly a decentralized yield farming project consists of multiple products. This is ecosystem, that is they have mentioned ecosystem, but it's actually a multiple products they are coming with. This Q Liquidity, QSwap, QBridge, QPay and QVault. I will tell you what is this all about in the Medium page. I will tell you. So right now they have mentioned a airdrop program for community building. So it is announced on 4th of October. So just see the worth of this amount that they were giving to the community. It is more than you can expect from this. And they have mentioned it that it is already trading on PancakeSwap and SushiSwap, and each token worth is $0.34. So I will tell you, I will show you also that how much it is actually in at right now in this time at PancakeSwap also. So you can take part in this airdrop also. Now these are all their tweets about their Twitter programs and airdrops. So we will be taking you to a Medium page. I want you to show the Medium page. So this is the Medium page of Quick Yield bringing revolution in blockchain. So what my focus is to what is their actually ecosystem, what are their products. So here you can see is Quick Liquidity, Q liquidity provider. So here they have mentioned each and every detail. So here you can see the advantage of Q Liquidity. So multiple blockchain yield farming, world first cross blockchain yield. Okay, farming program will support wrapped and packed coin from multiple blockchain. No lock-in, get interest in the form of cryptocurrency, truly decentralized. Okay, then QSwap product. In QSwap, what all the benefits that they are giving? Cross blockchain swap, low fees and fast speed, high liquidity and less than 2% speed. That is mind blowing. Less than 2% slippage. Then QBridge also the same as like decentralized cross blockchain cryptocurrency transfer. Advantages: cross blockchain transfer, fastest speed. Everyone want to clear a faster speed and multiple saved data. Wrapped and packed coin and 0% fees. Then QPay, like they will be having a Visa card payment solution program. So Visa card, then amount almost zero fees. Then support variety of cards and real-time settlement. Then Q Wallet is like a crypto wallet, will enable user to send, receive, manage and track different blockchain wallets. So you people are aware of what they are, so many type of crypto wallet. So they are coming with the fifth Q wallet also. So right now they will be having total around 5 products from the QY yield protocol. So QY yield is the main project is based on both QYI and QYU. Okay, they have mentioned QY token is created for reserving profit share for the project financiers, and QYU is a governance token and same is available on multiple blockchain which include Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, but not limited to this. You will find QY utility token on all blockchain which will be connected by Q Yield for yield farming project. So I think so if you forgot or if you regret this token right now, so you will be regretting very huge in future. So don't miss this opportunity and get this token into your wallet and take part in the at least in the airdrop program. That will be huge. And these are all the official website and social media data. So you can check all those data of which I have said right now. You can check each and everything they have in Discord. They are in Discord, Medium page, Telegram, Twitter, website, all these place you can check. And you can, once you find everything very useful, and you should clap. That is much appreciated for each and every program that they are coming with. Okay, so now going towards the airdrop program. So once you click on this airdrop, it will redirect to the airdrop page. So here you will see a login and sign up page program. So just put your mail ID and a password, sign up, and after that you have to log in. So once you log in, you will find a layout like this. So they have mentioned that this is trading at 0.42 on PancakeSwap. So for each task that you have been complete, they will give you $20 worth of QYU token. So as I told you, QYU is a governance token of QYU. So they have to complete set of terms and condition. The next, now first name, last name, country, Twitter username, Telegram username, Medium, and these all those data you have to fill up. Then QY utility tokens. This is a community task. So this task you have to perform, and for this they will give you each worth of token of QY in the form of dollars. The $20 worth of QY tokens. Okay. So whatever is the amount, the time when they gave you token, as per that they will count and give you $20 of token for each task. So like this you have to follow their Twitter, then you have to share the airdrop program and tag also 10 friends. Then you have to join Telegram program, Medium page. Then if you are good in writing articles, then you can take part on this. If you are running a YouTube channel, you can take part on this. So like this you can take part and spread this program to each and everyone who are not aware of this, because this is, I don't think so they will come again with this such of huge reward airdrop program. This is the first time I think so I have seen such a huge drop with this much amount of the amount they are giving in the airdrop. So potential of this project will be more. So now going towards the actual price of this token. So I have already checked with the QYU. So each token, like you can see QY, each token price right if now is $0.41 is USDT. So as if now the prices keep on change, so it is right on $0.4 you can say. So this is actual price of this. So just imagine the worth of this token after 2 years, 3 years. So if such tokens are in a wallet, I don't think so that you have to worry about your futures. Okay, so I think so you have understood what I mean to say. So don't miss this opportunity and get this token into your wallet, and read each and everything about this in all their social media channel, and spread this information to each and everyone who are not aware about this. So this is only I want to tell you about this in this video. Thank you for watching video. See you next time. Thank you. Tata. Bye bye.